I guess the recording has started. So yeah. Okay, let's first address the main issue. I have said like previous week that I will share a new playlist, but I have not because of my laziness. I will say yeah. See the difference in you now and you in after tomorrow, like or day after tomorrow, is what you want to become is the difference between you and what you want to become is the hard work you or the like pay. How would you pay something that you want to change? How do you want to change yourself? How do you want to change your life? How do you want to be a better you? By getting out of your comfort zone, by doing hard work, by being time efficient, and by doing all sort of kind of things that push you towards that, right? And I think more or less I am not on that path. What I see myself and what I see myself to become after some time is not the price, is the price that I am willing to pay, is what I think. I am willing to pay the price of myself, right? Okay, I'm seeing my dog. Yeah. Okay. That was not a good speech, but yeah, as you can see, BTC has broken. I have taken many buy and sell trades. If like I will show you, I have taken many 0.1, this type of like I will say like $1,000 I have earned in my demo account in this by like selling here. Right now I have sold here, so you can see that's the sell. To go till here or down here, I will earn another 500 or 600. See, profit is a thing, and then scaling profit is also another thing, right? If you know how to make profit, like if you have developed a strategy or you are copying a strategy or you know a certain thing or certain amount of things in the preliminary market or without the market opening, I mean to say, then it's depend on how much quantities are you buying, right? How much is you willing to risk in the amount to get where you want to get, right? And the amount I am like in this account I was like one time of $500, right? That time I got $1,000. Then I also get $200 loss. Then I get to $1,600 as you can see. So it's just that if you are not good at something, you should try it, but in a limited period of time, and in the period of a certain amount of time, you should able to get good at. Like I am not good at scalping, I'm not, and that's like 1,000 times I've said in my video, even though I have less than 20 videos. But yeah, see the Kumo shape is a little bit too thin. A retracement can actually be happening. Okay, if you have seen my uh, previous video, you can see in that I talk about monthly Tenkan-sen return, right? The zone this, and it has certainly hit that zone, right? Weekly Tenkan-sen zone, right? Tenkan-sen weekly, and it has touched that zone. So my target of 120 is not target is 135. I will say bare minimum, right? 120 is bare minimum if I'll have to say. See, because the daily and the weekly, and most probably the Bitcoin itself is such a commodity that it can retrace a bit. Okay, my dog wants to join the party. अरे अरे यहाँ से आ जा. Okay, so he is not interested. I'm seeing this. So okay, so how far it can fall down? I don't know. No, I know. Mm, see, I don't know. Okay, actually, have to say that you sell till the time market gets you out, right? Markets form a N wave on the upside, you are out. Form a like N wave like this, N wave like after hitting here, forming N wave. That's when you are out, right? Give that market a bit of time, right? And always look for these opportunities. Like I don't trade in BTC like as such because BTC is a high volatility and a big amount of like if you have a big amount in a purse then you can. But I'm a like small trader like a student. Then a student has a bit of uh, I'm not a student, I will say. First of all, I will clarify that. Okay, US oil is not certainly, but most probability will go down till here. As like you can see the Kumo size, and in the weekly, of course, it is going downtown, right? Okay, it is range in month. 4 hour is certainly it can go up. It has probability of going up, but it is in a downtrend, right? So more probability is if I have to say 1 hour. Okay, more probability is going down, I will say. Or it can go up by forming waves. See, whatever you want to follow, you should follow a certain time frame, like 4 hour, 1 hour, or day, right? 1 hour day, or week. I don't think week anyone follows. If you want to follow week, then you have to be in stocks or indices, right? Not in forex, because the percentage change in week will be greater in stock and indices, I will say, because here the percentage change is less, right? You can see 1.18% in a day, and it's like in here 0.16 gold, which is the most volatile, right? Okay, so let's talk about gold. Our 3000 target, I'm saying it is coming down in February end, but it is not. Okay, I'll have to see. Okay, so I have my dog in my hand. Okay, so see, in gold it has like come on the daily tendency, retrace to the daily tendency, and it is in weekly it is quite close to uh, conversion line or the Kijun-sen 9 moving average. So it's most probably that it will go down to the weekly Kijun-sen. It will go down, right? Okay, I will want to show you that I have most probably shown you that it is not probably gone down from the February, and it can go down to the Tenkan-sen, right, in March. But I don't think it is a big retracement. See, a big retracement should have been come at a point like 3000, right? A big retracement has come at the point uh, earlier was like here, right here at this point, which is a 2700 level, right? Hmm, I can see this. This is retracement of 2700, 2800. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, become. So what I think in this is 3000 target should be hit in the March coming week if there is no like any other like Trump or any other things, right? Because the market is also very volatile. And the next target you should all be looking for is 3500, right? I'll be hitting to that zone because gold is forming higher, higher and higher, higher and higher. So you should be always like in a buy more, right? In scalping, it's okay to sell. I have also sell in gold. If I show you, see now it's loss coming, but okay. uh, okay. Okay, I guess this is not the account. Okay, this was not the account. Okay, let's talk about the USD index and JPY index. The USD index, as you can see in 4 hour, it is it has crossed the Kumo and the lines are inside the Kumo. So it's most probably will break the Kumo, or or as you can see in the daily, it is just an N wave forming and it will go down from the, like, hitting the Kumo and then reversing from Kumo, right? So there can be a higher possibility of it going down the daily biasness, following the daily biasness, right? Because as you have seen that market tends to follow a higher time frame, right? If you see weekly, okay, so weekly is like going up. Okay, weekly is like it can come to the 10 cancel zone or can go up, or like what I have to see more. The Kumo is like bit difficult thing for me to judge. But if I have to say on the 4 hour basis, USD is going up and JPY is going up and DXY should go down, right? US 30 is also going down. See, now it's a good time for you all to see the uh, weekly time frame. As I have shown you in the my previous video, that weekly time frame is what all the big picture you can see more clearly, because they are like slowly coming in a zone, forming an N wave for, like, it's now range but forming an N wave, and then it can most probably go down. As you can see, pound USD, it has retraced from the Tenkan and like the cloud, and now can go down, right? For how much it can go down, you can see first okay, the first zone is here, right? Another zone is here most probably. So you have more than 1,000 pips, right? And same with this. This GBP JPY USD JPY weekly is ray. So you can see daily, and daily is also, you can see it is forming an N wave in the upper side, but it can go down, right? GBP JPY also you can see. USD CAD you can see. Okay, I will say USD JPY. I will spend more time on. Okay, coming down. Okay, first see it is coming down. The Kumo has not formed the green cloud yet in the 4 hour time frame, so you should know that. And the price is above the Kijun 10 Kensen, and the Chico span has crossed the 10 Kensen, so it is like a possibility of it going till here, right? And that's how much pips, if I'll have to see, that's 150 pips. Okay, that we can buy scalp, I can say. USD CAD I will not say anything about. USD CHF is also a great option if you will see 4 hour time frame, and 4 hour picture is very good picture. If you want to buy anything, then USD CAD is for you. But remember the imposition of the tax uh, by US on Canada, which are going to apply on 15th of March, right? Be in that. You should know about these geopolitical things also. And the USD great sell in 4 hour, but in daily or weekly it's not something to see, right? So more probably you, if I have to say, You can follow 4 hours because in daily and weekly it takes um, many days to form and build a cloud, and sometime 300 pips certain changes happen, and it has not been like a cloud does not form in a like straight away. It requires a certain amount of period of time. Like if I have to show you weekly how much time it takes, so you can see it was like ranging here, and you can see it's like July and like, right, it takes time. Okay, so I think it's in cell. AUD Euro GPV is also in cell, and CAD is also in cell. You can also see 4 hour, 4 hour, right? So uh, the things which I have told you is not a rocket science, right? Nothing is generally hard, nothing is generally easy. It's just common sense and a bit of practice, bit of patience, bit of discipline, bit of like what I have said in the first thing. If you want to become something, then you have to discard your present self, or you can become a better version of yourself by not discarding yourself. You will not come, right? If I have to say, hmm, you see 4 hour and weekly, what commonalities you see, and now I will show you daily, right? So you can trust the bigger time frame to price to follow that bigger time frame. See the what is stock market? Stock market is a price movement in a certain period of time frame, right? Price move and you predict that price will go up, price will go down based on some entry confirmation, based on some exit confirmation, and based on our thinking what will happen, right? Greed and other things happen, but that's the market basically. I want to say. See, if you are buying from here, you hold it till here, and then you see market going down, down, down. Then you should probably exit here, not here. Because if you see there is a sell pattern, then you should probably let it happen. Because if there is a negative thing happening, then you can't escape from it. You should stay away from that commodity and see pound USDT going up at that time. So you can learn other things, you can do other things, but what more probably is your capital should grow over the period of time. As the time passes, if I'll have to show you Bitcoin, okay, as the time passes, your capital should, okay, I will show you daily. Your capital should go up. Okay. I can also show you logarithmic chart, right? And see, this is a okay. I've dubbed the entire, right. You should always be like growing your capital, because discipline and hard work take it to go up, and a bit of patience and not following the rule will crash you down, right? Okay, you should you can do what this is backtesting, right? I forget the word. Okay, So if you want to like trade in 4 hours, you do this, you do this, do this. Like me, you can do this. Okay, you see 2021. Okay, what you will do in this situation? In this situation, what you will do? 90% of traders will like, oh man, what is happening in the market? And then they will lose the market potential. This they will come back from here and here, and they will miss this chunk, right? You should always be like, if you are a swing trader, then you will earn less or more than a scalper. I want to ask, if you are a scalper and if you are a swing trader and you have 1 year of time, same capital, starting capital, then like if I have to say $100 scalping and not a scalping, $1,000 your starting time, and you have a period of 6 months. I will say, right? October, November. I will say 1 month. Who will earn more? Scalper. Okay. Period of 6 months. Who will earn more? Swing trader. That's the answer I want to know. Because if you are a scalper, you have to win 90% of trades. You have to win 70% of the trades to be profitable, and 90% of the trades to be earned, to earn a good money, to earn a great money, not a good money, to earn a great money. But if you are a swing trader, you have to only get 30% of the trades right? 30% of the trade you will get right, and then you will earn money. You will not be a losing trader. You will earn non-losing trader. But if you achieve 70% or 90% of the accuracy, or the like ratio, what they call win percentage, or like something, then you are in something for a treat, right? Because this type of thing can happen. Like, imagine you have bought, then yourself. This is like a, oh god, this is like a like fantasy for swing traders, right? And then a range market, absolutely. But see, most probably we are in range. Also, we are in range. For our, if I say we are in a small range, so if you are earning uh, not more, but if you are not losing, that's what the main topic is. Hmm, because I have completed 6 months of trading, of being in trading, not trading, but I have learned all things over the period of 6 months. So if I can be this better or better, a better person than 6 months ago, having patience, a bit of discipline, a bit of other things, understanding of market, more clear picture, then you can also, right? See, this is also like, if I have to show you, it's 121 pips, but come, come, come. What is it? Okay, I think the video has gone up around 25 minutes. I will not be taking your more time. If I will see my last 5 to 6 videos views, it will be 0 or 1. I don't. I know it's most probably 0 or 1. So I see. I don't care about the views. It's like more probably it's like, if I, if in the future if I will see the video, then I shall be like improved version of me what I'm now, right? That's the main goal of this recording, not to educate others, but to educate myself of what was I and what I have become, right? Thank you.